I need a different job. Necesito un trabajo diferente. This is a four-word phrase. Necesito, meaning I need. This is the first-person conjugation of necesitar, which is to need. Un trabajo, which means a job, and diferente, which means different. Putting it all together, you get necesito un trabajo diferente, meaning I need a different job. Let's hear it in a sentence.
Estoy cansada de este trabajo. Trabajo muchas horas y gano poco.
Sí, te entiendo. Necesitas un trabajo diferente.
Exactamente. Voy a buscar uno mejor.
Again, the phrase is necesito un trabajo diferente. I need a different job. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below, ¿qué trabajo te gustaría tener? What job would you like to have? Let me know if you liked the style video. I know it's a little different than what you're used to, but if you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.